Well, failures are equally important as much as successes, right? I want to give an example. I think आज की generation का पता नहीं. I remember my time when I started learning cycling. Okay, so it was not the first time I was able to ride the cycle, right? First for 2 days, my dad or my cousin or my brother was supporting me from the back, holding my cycle. And as soon as they let go, I have fallen down so many times, right? I have bruises. I still have bruises on my, on my legs and my, elbows. So just like जब हम साइकिल चलाना एक बार में नहीं सीख सकते, okay? We're humans. We are not superhumans, right? For that you need to you assess it कि अच्छा मैं साइकिल से गिर गया, okay, I need to balance more on the right or more on the left, and you're doing it subconsciously. There is no rocket science to it. You don't have to do anything beyond that. But while you're cycling, you are you are making a failure. You fall down, it's a failure, but you get up, you assess, okay, ये मुझे नहीं करना है. This is one step not I have to do. So again you try that. Again you fall down. Maybe you don't succeed on that day. Maybe after 10 days you're able to, drive that cycle right. But all these days you were collecting data. आप indirectly वो सारी information collect कर रहे थे कि मुझे ये क्या नहीं करना है और क्या करना है ताकि मैं अच्छे से साइकिल चला पाऊँ. Right. So to answer you, failures are stepping stones towards success, right? And if you look at it in last 1 year, for example, the pharmaceutical companies took a lot of time to develop a vaccination, right? So they could not develop on the first time. They had gone through immense failures, right? If they could have got the answer in the first time, so we are God, right? We have done so much, we have so much testing. After all those testing, after all those validation, after all those failures, a successful product is out in the market now, which we all can trust, right? So failures are equally important for you to be successful. It is just like a stepping stone. But yes, if you keep focusing on failures, you will be failing. But you need to be आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा जो मैंने साइकिल वाला एग्जांपल दिया. We have all been failures. I think failure को हम rejection से भी relate करते हैं because अगर आप देखोगे failure और rejection interconnected है and we all are so fearful of rejection or failure. मेरा ऑडियंस सबसे एक सवाल है. I'm sure any of you have traveled by auto, right? किसी ने कभी ना कभी तो ऑटो में ट्रैवल किया है, right? And I have traveled so many times, and I can raise my hand and say it very openly कि मुझे कभी पहली बार में ऑटो नहीं मिला, right? I give a hand to auto guy, भैया यहाँ से चांदनी चौक जाना है. He will say no. Then I wait for another auto guy. He says okay, I will overcharge. The third one, fourth one. Maybe you get an auto in 4th time. So what has happened there? आपको ऑटो वाले ने 4 बार 3 बार रिजेक्ट किया, तब तो आपको बुरा नहीं लगा. वाई नॉट? क्योंकि आप कस्टमर हो, आप पैसा भी दे रहे हो, आपकी वजह से उसका घर चल रहा है. बट देन व्हाट यू डू? As soon as somebody says no, you say okay, I look for another auto. You wave your hand to another auto. Until the time you succeed, you keep on asking for the auto guy कि भैया चलोगे. It is very simple. क्योंकि इस सिनेरियो में you are giving the money, you are the customer, even then you are not succeeding. You don't take it as a rejection. I think आधे लोग अभी रियलाइज करें कि रिजेक्शन हमारे साथ रोज होता है. But because we don't take it on ego, our focus is on reaching a destination. आपका फोकस है ऑफिस कैसे पहुंचो, आपका फोकस है कॉलेज पहुंचो और मेरा लेक्चर मिस ना हो. तो आप उस रिजेक्शन को ओवरशैडो कर देते हो. बट इन लाइफ यू हैव टू थिंक लाइक द सेम. अगर एक ऑटो वाला रिजेक्ट कर सकता है तो आपको कहीं से भी रिजेक्शन मिल सकती है. बट यू फोकस ऑन योर डेस्टिनेशन. आपका गोल क्या है? अगर आप एग्जाम में फेल हो रहे हो तो ऐसा नहीं कि आप 2 महीने 2 हफ्ते मुंह लटका के बैठे रहो, आप फेल हो गया. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, ऑफ कोर्स गिविंग देम फीडबैक इज इंपॉर्टेंट. बताना जरूरी है, इंकरेज करना जरूरी है, बट उनको कोसना जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम फेल हो गए. सो रादर डू सम एक्शन प्लानिंग कि कहां पर कमी रह गई और कहां कैसे कमी पूरी कर सकते हैं. एंड आई थिंक इन इंडिया वी नीड टू चेंज दैट थॉट बिकॉज हम इमोशनल होके बहुत कुछ बोल जाते हैं and then that reaches a kid's subconscious mind, right?
True.
So failure is part of the success, and that was the first part of the question, Meenakshi, right? And the second part was, what was the second part of the question?
How to deal with failures.
I think I partially answered it already. How to deal
Yes,
with
yes.
failure? Keep trying again.